Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. Hey YouTube! Okay, today we are doing a comparison. It is going down basement, okay? And we have the Instapot Dual Crisp versus the 14-in-1 Ninja Foodi. I will be putting both model numbers on the screen so you guys know the exact ones that they are. And we're going to be making hot wings in these two units. Now, my main problem that I had with my Instapot is the air fryer sucks compared to the Ninja. If you follow me and you watch my videos, you would know I'm always shading Instapot for the horrible air fryer that they have. And it's time I give you the evidence of what I be seeing in these videos. So sit back, get hungry, and let's start this video. I have my wings. I'm going to add my Buffalo Wild Honey Barbecue Wings sauce onto here, and we're gonna get the frying. Okay, so I will be doing the honey barbecue in the Instapot, and I will be doing the hot wings in the Ninja. Okay, so I added my sauce and I shook it up, and I'm gonna place it in the pans. That's the honey barbecue, and this is the hot wing sauce. Now, I am a layer girl, so I will be layering the sauce as the air fry, which makes it better for you guys. And I forgot to show the sauce that I will be using for the hot wings. So before we begin, I just want to show you guys up close the differences between the two. So when it comes to the tops, this one has a top that goes like this, and this one has the top that you can take off. As you can see, my counters are very low, so I have to bring them literally to the edge of the counter in order for me to do what I need to do. And yeah, so this has two lids. It has a pressure cook lid and an air fryer lid. This is the air fryer lid, and this is both in one. This is an air fryer lid and a pressure cooker lid, both in one. I don't have to worry about constantly changing, which is very annoying. This is inside the basket. Okay, this is inside this basket. This is my old, listen, don't be judging me, okay? Like it was a greasy situation, but we here. Okay, so this is the new baby and this is the old baby. But the thing that I like about this air frying basket is that it has a rack. Let me show you the rack. So with this rack, you could like do a double layer of the stuff that you want on top of here. So start greasing this stuff just goes to show that I was actually using this unit, and I'm not here to fake it like a lot of these YouTubers be doing. This is real, raw, okay? And just for the people in the comments, it's not gonna, I need like some crazy like grease remover to get that off, and I'm already throwing this out, so what's the point? Anyway, okay, so now honey barbecue wings in here. Okay, and I'm just gonna lay it flat. I would do a spray, but every time I spray it in these machines, I always get people, oh, you're not supposed to spray it, in the comments. So you know what, we're just gonna leave it. It's supposed to be non-stick anyway. So I'm just placing it around. Placing it around town. SpongeBob, y'all. If you know, you know, and if you don't, it's okay. Okay, and for my people who didn't understand my cooking lingo, what I meant by like I'm a layer type of wing girl is, you see how this barely has sauce on it, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna brush some more of the sauce on there, and we're just gonna create layers that's gonna go on top of the wings. So that's what I meant by layers. Okay, so now honey barbecue wings is set to go, but we're not gonna start it yet because we gotta, it smells spicy, y'all. It smells spicy. We gotta do the hot wings, okay? So I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the honey barbecue. Just gonna place it around town. SpongeBob. It's dripping a little bit. Like, come on, y'all about to make me mop now too. We have the hot wings ready to go, so I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna add the air fryer top to this. So now I'm gonna add this on air fry. We're gonna cut this on. And we're gonna switch it over to air frying / stovetop. See, look, this already cut off for me. You were so impatient. Like, you know what? You could just start air fry, boom, start, and then do 400 because that one is on high. So yeah. All right. It is currently 5:38. I'm gonna give it 5 minutes. And currently 5:40, and now this is currently saying 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 minutes. So it had to preheat the air fryer. I told you this air fryer sucks. And this already just been air frying since I left you guys, but I just wanted to give y'all that outlook of what's going on right now. Currently 5:42, so we're gonna take a look. There we go. This is how it's looking for the hot wings. Let's take a look for the honey barbecue. And this is how it's looking for the honey barbecue. Nowhere near done. But what we're going to do is we're going to add some sauce to them babies. Okay, so just add a little bit of sauce to dust. Okay. So now we added some sauce to the honey barbecue. Let's move to Ninja. Alright, so this is how the hot wings is looking. This is how the honey barbecue wings is looking. Let me put this lid back on this thing so it can shut up. And let me close this too. And now it is currently 5:45 p.m. So we will see. Alright, it is currently 5:50. It's currently 5:50. So let's see what we got. This is the honey barbecue. Okay. It's moving just a little bit. Let's check out the Ninja. This is the hot wings. Oh, the hot wings is hot. Okay. All right. Let's look at the honey wings. You see what I'm talking about, y'all? These things don't look. Look, you can still see the pink. This is turning dark on me. This is almost done. All right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna actually flip them over, and then I'm gonna add some sauce to it. So okay, flip them over. Listen, I'm not against you if you use your hand or whatever. Listen, do you, boo boo. I fry chicken with a fork, so who am I to judge? But when it comes to this right here, oh, I'm grabbing the thongs. But it's backwards, right? Because I won't grab it for fried chicken. Anyway, this is how it's looking on the other side. The beeping is just like, we gotta zone it out. It's like a kid kicking your seat on a flight. You just gotta tone it out. Okay, that's how it's looking on the other side. Now we're gonna add a layer of sauce to the baby. Okay, that's how it's looking with the sauce. Okay, flipped over with the saucy sauce. Now we're gonna do the same thing to BB Beep over here, aka Instapot. And we're gonna flip this over and add some sauce. That doesn't, I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to unlock the food. There we go. But it literally does not. Why every time? It does not look air fried at all. Like, if this thing stopped fighting with me and the flip over, that would be nice too. Okay, this is how it's looking. And now we're gonna re-add some salsa sauce. Okay, that's how it's looking with the salsa sauce, y'all. So, oh, it cut off on me. You see? It cut off on me. So let's go back to air fry. Start. Okay, it didn't have to preheat, thank God. And now, see, look, Ninja's still on. Ninja's still waiting. And Ninja resumes. You see? I be telling y'all, y'all be listening to me. But all right, so it is currently 5:55, and now we'll come back in another 7 minutes. Okay, it's currently 6:02. Let's look at the Ninja first, because I feel like these might be a little bit overcooked. Oh, child, look at them wings. Now that's how you do it, Ninja. Keep in mind how the Ninja has not left since it started. When it first started, it said 20 minutes. So it's currently on. Well, what it has left is 2 minutes and 54 seconds. So, yeah, wow, that looks beautiful. Alright, now this has been all over the place, and I done lost track. The other one was 15, but then it cut off on me because I was taking too long, and okay. Oh, alright. That's the part to say, I came to play. I came to party. Alright. So, wow. Wow. Okay, I just want to do one more shake. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the wings inside here and do like a sauce shake, and then place it in here for like 1 minute, and then call it a day. Okay, so this is how it's look with the sauce shaking up out of it. I didn't want to show it on camera because it's a lot of work, guys, and this is how I look with the sauce. So we're just gonna do like 1 minute, and then it'll be done. See, look, it cuts off. You see, this is why I can't keep track of this thing. And look, this one is still waiting. Beautiful. All right, it's only 6:06. Let's go. Let's get it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Basically 1 minute. Wow, did a good run. Wow. So this is the finished touch, guys. Like, wow, it came out beautiful. These are the hot wings, and these are the honey barbecue wings, which because of the sugar, you know, it's gonna brown a little bit more, but this came out great. Now that you guys see the comparison between these two, and that this is a much better air fryer than this. Granted, the Instapot, it's a great pot. It's just not for me, you know. And if you're thinking about getting this versus this, I say go with this. But if you have your Instapot already and you're happy with it, don't make me change your mind, if that makes sense. I just wanted to bring some knowledge to the YouTube streets and help you guys decide when it comes to finding an all-in-one pressure cooker, air fryer, everything, okay? And keep in mind, this is 11-in-1 and this is a 14-in-1, because this does steam crisp, and steam bake, and it's another option. I don't know from the top of my head, but yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.